Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do number and numeration, chapter 1, exercise 1.5. Before we begin our exercise, let's learn how to compare numbers. When we compare two numbers, we should follow the given rules. What are the rules to follow? The first rule is count the number of digits in both the numbers. So when two numbers are given, first thing is count the number of digits. The number with a larger number of digits is the greater number. Now let's take an example now here. Which is greater? We have two numbers here, 9035 and 899. Which is greater? Now this number has 4 digits and this number has 3 digits. So the first rule is count the number of digits, and the number, that is this number with the greater number of digits, is the greater number. That means 9035 is greater than 899. So that is the first rule, count the number of digits. So here we have a table, we have numbers here. We're going to compare and see which is the greater number. That we're going to write it here. Now here in the first question there are two numbers. Let's count the number of digits. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 digits here. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 digits. So the number with the more number of digits is the greater number. That is 69,381 is the greater number. In the second question, again we have two numbers. Let's count the number of digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 digits here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. So the number with the greater number of digits is the greater number. So here 14,481 is the greater number. Now here again we have large numbers. Let's count the number of digits. So let's begin. Now here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 digits here. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 digits. So the 6-digit number is the greater number. So the answer is 2,20,356 is the greater number. In the next one, again we have large numbers. Let's count the number of digits. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 digits here. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits here. And the number with a larger number of digits, that is the 7-digit number, is the greater number. That is 75,43,100. Now, the second rule. If the two numbers, the given two numbers, have the same number of digits, then what do you do? If both the numbers have only 4 digits or both the numbers have only 5 digits, what do we do? Then in that case, look at the first digit on the extreme left of both the numbers. The number with the greater digit is the greater number. Now we have taken an example here. Now let's count the number of digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 digits here. Now the other number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both are 5-digit numbers. So in this case, what do? We look at the first digit on the extreme left. Left is here. Extreme left is here. We look at the first digit. So the first digit here, as you can see, on the left side is 3. And here the second number, it is 8. So the two numbers have the same number of digits. Look at the first digit. The first digit here is 3 and the other number, the first digit is 8. 3 is smaller than 8. That means this whole number is smaller than this number. So what does it mean? That 39,467 is smaller than 80,438. So first we learned to count the number of digits. If the number of digits are the same, then look at the first digit on the extreme left and look for the greater or the smaller number and accordingly write. Now, if two numbers have the same number of digits and the first digit on the extreme left is also equal, then compare their second digits from the extreme left. So here we have an example, 48,925, 43,925, Both are 5-digit numbers, and in both the extreme left number is the same. So as you can see, the two numbers have the same number of digits. The first digit on the extreme left are the same. Let's look at the second digit. So second digit from the left for both the numbers. The number with the greater digit is greater. So look at the second digit. Here it is 8 and here it is 3. Which is the greater number? 8 is greater than 3. So we say that this number 48,925 is greater than 43,920. Now let's look at this table and compare the numbers. So here we have two numbers. First thing is, let's count the number of digits. So here let's count the digits. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also there are 5 digits. That means these are 5-digit numbers. If the number of digits is the same, then the next thing to do is look at the digit on the extreme left. So here on the extreme left we have 9. Here also on the extreme left we have 9. So both the numbers are 9 here. That means we should go to the next digit. And the next digit is 3 and here the next digit is 7. So let's see that. So which is the greater one? 7 is greater. That means 97,012 is the greater number. Let's go to the next one. Here also, if you see, there are 5 digits here and 5 digits here. That means we look at the number on the extreme left of both the numbers. So here we have 2 and here also we have 2. So in that case, we go to the next digit. So here the next digit is 8. Here also the next digit is 8. As you can see, 8 here and 8 here. So now what do? If that is also the same, then we go to the next digit. So the next digit is 6 here and here it is 5. So 6 is greater than 5. That means the greater number is 28,645. Let's look at the last one here. Let's count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also a 6-digit number. If the number of digits is the same, we look at the digit in the extreme left. Here we have 7. Now that is also the same. So let's go to the next digit. The next digit, as you can see here, is 0. Here also it is 0. That means that is also the same. So the first two digits here are the same. Here also it's same. So let's go to the next one. The next one here is 1 and here it's 1. Now that is also the same. When that is the same, we have to take the next digit. And the next digit here is 1 and here it is 2. So 2 is greater than 1. That means this is the greater number. So the number that's greater is 7,01,201. Now let's go on to exercise 1.5, page 13. Insert the greater than, lesser than or the equal to sign. So when we are going to compare numbers and put these signs, remember all the rules that we just learned. So here we have numbers. Let's count the number of digits. So here first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 7-digit number. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is also a 7-digit number. So we learned if the number of digits is the same, next step is we look at the digit in the extreme left. So let's look at that. So the digit here is 6 and the other number is also 6. Then we have to go to the next digit. The next digit is 3. Here also it is 3. Then we have to go to the next digit and the next digit is 5. Here also it is 5. That means we have to take the next one again, which is 6 here, and here we have 6 and here we have 4. So now we have 6 and 4. Which is the bigger number? 6 is the bigger number. That means this big number is greater than this. So let's put the correct sign. The sign has to open towards the greater number. Now let's go to the next number. Let's count the number of digits first. So let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the number of digits is 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also it is 7. So now the next thing is to check the digit on the extreme left. Let's do that. Extreme left we have 9 and 9. Both are same. So let's go to the next one. That's 0. Here also it's 0. Let's go to the next one. 0. Again 0. Now let's go to the next one. Here we have 0. Here we have 4. So remember, when the digits are the same, you have to keep going to the next digit. So here we have 0 and here we have 4. Which is the greater one? 4 is greater, isn't it? Greater than 0. So this number is greater than this number. So let's put that symbol facing this. Let's go to the next number here. Question C. Let's count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a 9-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is also a 9-digit number. So the next thing is to look at the digit on the extreme left. And that is 3 here and 3 here. So we'll go to the next one. It's 0 and 0. Then that is also the same. So let's go to the next one. 0 and then we have 4. So 0 and 4, 4 is the greater one, isn't it? That means this number is the greater number. So let's put that symbol inside. Let's go to the next question and count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 digits here. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 digits here also. So the number of digits is the same. We go to the next digit on the extreme left. So here we have 1 on the extreme left. Here also we have 1. It's the same. So we'll go to the next one. So here we have 5 and here we have 1. So 5 and 1, the greater digit is 5. That means this number is greater than this. So let's put our symbol inside. Question 2. Arrange in ascending order. Ascending means from small to big. So here we have 4 numbers given. We have to look for the smallest. Let's keep in mind all the rules that we learned. First thing is we have to count the number of digits. So let's begin with the first one. Let's count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here there are 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are all 7-digit numbers. When the number of digits is the same, what's the next thing that we do? We look at the digit in the extreme left. So let's look at the digit in the extreme left of all these numbers. So here in the first number, the digit is 1. Then we have 2. Then we have 1. Then we have 2. Now we are writing in ascending order, isn't it? So we have to look for the smallest numbers. The smallest number here is the number 1. So 1 here, not 2. So we can take off this number. Then here again we have 1 and here we have 2. So now we're going to look at only the numbers that have 1 at the extreme left. Now both are the same. So we look at the next digit. The next digit here is 2 and here it is 8. So here we have 2 and here we have 8. In this, which is the smaller one? The smaller one is this, isn't it? So that is the first number that we are going to write down. So let's write that down. 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, 7, 4. So if you have to read this number, you can place commas and read. So this becomes 12,36,274. So after this number, we can write this number. So let's write down this number. Now let's put the symbol to show that the first number is smaller than the second number. So let's write that down. 1, 8, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's put the commas and read. So this becomes 18,26,789. So we finished with these two numbers. We can strike them off. We have done it. Now we have to only look at the other two numbers. So here there are two numbers and both are starting with 2. So here in the extreme left we have 2. It's the same. So we go to the next digit. Here it is 2 and here it is 0. Which is the smaller one? The smaller one is 0. So we have to write down this number next. So let's write that down. So that is 2, 0, 9, 6, 1, 2 and 3. So when you read it, this becomes 20,96,123. Then this is the last number. We have finished with this one. So the last number left is the second number. Let's write it down. 2216675. Now read this number. 22,16,675. So these four numbers, we have arranged it in ascending order. Let's go to the next one. Here also you can see many digits. Let's count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 digits. Since the number of digits is the same, we're going to look at the digit in the extreme left and look for the smallest one. So in the extreme left, we have 1, 7, 3, 3. So which is the smallest one? This one is the smallest one. So let's write that one first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 0, 5, 0, 3, 3. Let's read this number. Place your commas according to the Indian system. You'll be able to read. This is 12 crore, 36 lakh, 5,033. So this number is done. Let's look at the other three numbers and see the extreme left what we have. Here we have 7, 3 and 3, and the smaller number is the 2 3s. So let's look at the 2 3s. So here we have 3 and 3, it's the same. So go to the next digit. Here we have 7 and here we have 2. So 7 and 2, which is the smaller one? 2 is the smaller one. So we have to write this number next. So let's write that. So put the symbol. Next number is 327605063. Let's read it. Put your commas according to the Indian system and read 32 crore 76 lakh 5063. So we finished this number also. Now here there are two numbers. Look at the extreme left. Here we have 7. Here we have 3. The smaller one is 3. So we write this number next. So this is the third number. Let's write it down. So that is 377506088. Put commas according to the Indian system and read it. 37 crore 75 lakh 6088. Now the last number is this number which we are going to write down here. So let's write that number down. So that is 733560118. Put commas. Let's read this number. 73 crore 35 lakh 60,118. So we finish with the second one also. Now let's go to question C and count the number of digits. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they're all 9-digit numbers. So the next thing to do is look at the digit in the extreme left. Here we have 5, 3, 5 and 4. Let's underline that. 5, 3, 5 and 4. Which is the smallest? 3 is the smallest. So let's write that number first. So that is 3, 4, 5, 4. 14770. Place your commas and now read 34 crore 54 lakh 14,770. So this number is over. Let's look at the other numbers. So the first digit here in the extreme left is 5, 5 and 4. The smaller one is 4. So we write this number next. So let's write down this number. So that the first number is smaller than this. So that is 445344088. Place your commas according to the Indian system and read your number 44 crore 53 lakh 44,088. So these two numbers are over. Let's look at these two. Here the extreme left is 5 and 5. Go to the next digit. Here it is 4. Here it is 4 and here it is 5. So in this number we have 4, in this number we have 5. So which is smaller? 4. So this number should come next. So let's write down this number next. So let's put the symbol and write 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 0, 7, 0. Commas. Now let's read 54 crore 32 lakh 14,070. Now the last number we have to put it down here. So the last number is 554314707. Put commas according to the Indian system and let's read 54 crore 43 lakh 14,707. So we finished question C. Let's go to question D. Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 8 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. So here the numbers with 7 digits are smaller than the number with the 8 digits. So let's look at these 3 numbers. So in these 3 numbers, since they are all 7-digit numbers, we have to look at the digit on the extreme left. So here we have 2. Let's underline that. 2, 2, and look at the last number, it's 6. Okay, so we have 2, 2 and 6. That means we have to look for the smallest here, and the smallest is the number starting with 2. Now both are 2. Look at the digit next to it. This is 1 and this is 6. So here we have 1 in the first number and second number we have 6. That means 1 is smaller. So we write down that. That is 2, 1, 3, 6, 3, 6, 6. Let's put the commas and read now. So this becomes 21 lakh 36,366. So we've written this number and that is smaller. Now let's look at the other numbers. So let's look only at the 7-digit numbers. Here we have 2 7-digit numbers. Digit on the extreme left here is 2 and here it is 6. So the number starting with 2 is the smaller one. So we are going to write down this number. So let's write that down. 2, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 0. Put our commas and now let's read the number 26 lakh 36,360. So we finished with these two numbers. Let's look at these two numbers. Here one is an 8-digit number and one is a 7-digit number. Which is the smaller one? The 7-digit number is the smaller one. So let's write that. 6, 4, 6, 6, 3, 1, 9. Put your commas and read. This becomes 64 lakh 66,319. So we finished with this one also. That means the last one is the 8-digit number. And let's write it down. 6, 4, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 5. So put the commas and let's read a number. 6 crore 43 lakh 67,365. So we finished with question D. Now let's go to question E and count the number of digits. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they're all 7-digit numbers. So now we have to look at the digit on the extreme left. Here we have 5, 8, 5, 8. The smaller ones are the ones starting with 5. So let's look at only these two numbers starting with 5, this and this. Now look at the next digit here. Next digit is 6, next digit is 1. So we have 6 and we have 1 and the smaller one is the one with the number 1. So here 5, 1, 5, 3, 3, 4, 6. Place your commas, comma here, comma here. Now when you read 51 lakh 53,346. So this is over. That means this is the next one. So let's write this number, the first number given here. Let's write that. So that will be 5, 6, 8, 3, 1, 9, 5. Let's put the commas. Put the comma and then read 56 lakh 83,195. So we finished these two numbers. Now we have to look at these two numbers. Look at the digit in the extreme left. We have 8 here and 8 here. So go to the next digit. We have 1. Here also it is 1. That means we have to go to the next digit. So here we have 3, but here we have 8. So this number 3 is smaller, so we have to write this big number. So let's write that down. 8, 1, 3, 3, 5, 6, 5. Put commas in the right places and read the number 81,33,565. Now there's only one number left and we will write down that number. So this is 81,883,666. Let's put the commas and now the number is 81,88,366. So what have we done here? We have arranged in ascending order all numbers from small to big. We will stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.